I think it's February 3, 2026. This is our update for Burgess Apartments. Mabalons tayo and bukas na yan because we have reopened our pharmacy. Kasi diba, ayos tayo sa loob. So we had to close for a while and now we're open again. So yan, ang ganda na ating pharmacy. And one difference than before is, ayan na, may mga door closers na ating mga doors going up our units. Dati is you have to manually close. Now, it will close by itself. Tingnan natin ang iba. Ang update natin dito sa baba is yung ating water system, ang ating ginagawa. Tingnan natin. At parking natin. Ito, ayan, no? May mga door closer dyan. Ito yung ating water system. Inaayos na natin. Ayan. So, malapit nito. Karoon sila ng dalawang pumps. One is to fill the tank. The other one is to bring water dun sa ating mga restrooms. Ayan, mga lights natin. Okay na. Good. So, automatic mag-process siya. Testers. Ito, ayusin pa natin to. Magiging ganyan yan. Lahat yan, no? All of our rooms are now occupied. From rooms 1 to 10. Ang naging ito, room 1, occupied 2, occupied 3, 4, 5, 6 is occupied. 7 is occupied. 8 is occupied. 9 is occupied. Okay. So, ito yung ating mga shared restrooms. And ito ang ating mga shared kitchen, no? This is shared kitchen number 3. Shared restroom number 3. Okay. There. Okay. Ito ang ating jet pumps and water heaters. Look at our flooring. Ganda na, oh. Ganda na. Oh, ganda na dito. Eventually, itong ating mga sampayan na yan, lalagay ko dito. Magkakaroon tayo din ng mga folding sampayan. Ayan. Diyan. Ganda. That's room 10 is occupied. Room 4 is occupied. This is our shared kitchen number 2. Yung kitchen number 1 nandun sa baba. Meron dyan. Okay, mga grease traps natin. Of course, this is our shared CR number 2. Ito yung maghuhulog ka ng coins para magkaroon ng water dito sa restroom and dun sa kitchen. Dito. Okay, ayan, may jet pump na dyan. So, yan. Ito ang ating update for our apartment for February 3, 2026. Till next time. See you.